Fremont, California, proudly hosts an annual 4th of July parade that embodies the city's diversity and community spirit. This vibrant celebration brings together people from various backgrounds to commemorate the nation's independence. Let's explore the significance of Fremont's 4th of July parade. Fremont's parade showcases the city's cultural tapestry. Different ethnic communities proudly display their heritage through floats, costumes, and performances. It's a vibrant display of unity in diversity. The parade fosters patriotism, with marching bands and veterans symbolizing the deep-rooted love for the nation. Families and friends come together to celebrate American values and principles. The parade promotes community engagement as local organizations, schools, and businesses participate, building floats to represent their causes. It's a chance for individuals to connect and create lasting memories. The parade route transforms into a stage for captivating displays and performances. Elaborate floats, marching bands, and skilled performers create an electrifying atmosphere for all to enjoy. Fremont's 4th of July parade welcomes everyone, with families lining the streets to enjoy the festivities. It's a day filled with unity, freedom, and a sense of belonging for all. Fremont's annual 4th of July parade is a magnificent display of diversity, patriotism, and community spirit. The celebration not only honors America's independence, but also showcases the city's vibrant cultural heritage. It brings people together, strengthens bonds, and instills a sense of belonging. Year after year, the parade continues to be a cherished tradition, reminding residents of the values that make Fremont a shining example of unity in diversity.